Hi children, welcome to Electron Chemistry Center by VKM sir. This is VKM. We are going to discuss next question from JEE or NEET practice test 1. Right? This question is from chemical equilibrium chapter of class 11. Right? Just read out the question. If K1 and K2 are the respective equilibrium constants for the two reactions given, for this reaction it is K1, for second reaction it is K2, and they have given another reaction, that is third reaction. For this they are asking what is the K value, equilibrium constant, or what is the relation between these K1 and K2 and how it is related to this K, right? So as you know, equilibrium constant is depending upon stoichiometric coefficients. Based on that relation we are going to solve this question, right? First try to give the K1 expression for this reaction. I'm talking about it. K1, right? If you just check it, I will write XeOF4 concentration HF whole square upon reactant concentration, that is XeF6 concentration into H2O concentration. Yes or no? Now similarly, try to write down the K2. K2 is XeOF4 concentration XeO3F2 concentration, product concentration upon reactant concentration, that is XeO4 and XeF6. But what you have to calculate? K expression you have to get it. What is the K expression? Equilibrium constant expression XeO3F2, right, into concentration of H2O upon XeO4 into concentration of HF whole square. Which relation among these four options can give this K? That is our question, right? So I am trying to give with the help of K2 by K1. If I do K2 by K1, what I'll get it? XeO3F2, right? What is K2 by K1, that is XeO3F2 concentration into XeOF4 concentration, these two, right, divided by XeO4 concentration into XeF6, K1, this one, this invert this, then what will get it? XeF6 concentration into H2O concentration divided by XeOF4 concentration into HF whole square, right? So then what you can say, XeOF4 concentration, this concentration gets cancelled, and then XeF6 gets cancelled, right? Remaining what we have, we want to check it. XeO3F2, H2O, XeO4, HF whole square. Have we got the required expression? So K will be equal to K2 by K1. So option 4 is the answer for it. Okay, hope you like the video, and if you have any doubts, post it in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. If you have already subscribed, please click on the bell icon for further notifications. See, for when you are doing practice, just press on pause button once question is over, right? So try to solve it on your own. If you are unable to solve it on your own, then you can go through the answer. Such a way you have to do your practice, right? Thank you very much.